Happy New Year, everyone. So first video of 2020 is going to be this super quick crochet style that I did because I needed a style while I was sick. I was actually sick, you guys, here doing this video, and this worked for me. So if you guys are interested in this look and why and how it only took me 60 minutes to do it, keep watching. Alright guys, to start off, I do have 11 small cornrows in the front connected to like 6 big cornrows in the back that you just saw. And first I'm just gonna start with spraying my hair with this Mielle. I meant to do this style like weeks ago, you guys, but you know I moved and then holidays and I was traveling back and forth to Dallas and I just did not have time. So if you can do this style with fresh cornrows, I advise you to, because it will turn out much better. And I was also sick doing this as well. So yeah, here I'm just adding in the Camille Rose drops, and I added in a little bit of oil as well to my scalp. And the Camille Rose drops are for my edges, so I will put those down below so that you guys will have them. But I'm using this Freetress braid, the spring twist, and these braids are a little bit bigger than the nomadic twist that I did, and you can also do singles. So that was my purpose for the back of my hair that you just saw that was loose. It was not braided up. I was gonna do singles in the back and I wanted to do singles in the front as well, but again, just did not have the time, nor did I feel very good to do it. So this is after this is after 2 packs of hair, just showing you guys how full it looks. And then this is gonna be after 4 packs of hair that I'm installing right now. I just have a few more braids for the 4th pack of hair. So as far as the hair goes, the twists are bigger, they're a lot sturdier, and of course they kind of have a little bit of weight, so just be careful on your edges. I do highly advise you to do singles in the front, like for real, because the loop on these are a little bit bigger, and I just think it would have turned out a lot nicer and a lot more natural looking if you did singles in the front. As far as the hair goes, I do think the hair was okay. It wasn't the best. It did start to frizz on me pretty quickly, so keep that in mind. But all in all, I'm just like, okay, I'm not mad. I spent my money on it. It's no big deal. I do think this style or these braids will also be really great as fillers. So if you do maybe like just the middle of your head in cornrows, or maybe just the back and do singles in the front, like 50-50 or 75-20, something like that, I think this would be a really great option, especially if you are pressed for time but still want a really natural look. This is also going to be a really great style for vacation time. If you're like me and you just don't have the time period to be doing your hair and just want to look decent, that's kind of what I needed at this point, because I had not felt well and neither did my family, so I was just like no energy at all, and I just wanted to look decent for December, for the holidays and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Not much to say, and I'm sorry if it was too quick. It's just a super basic crochet video, and I really just wanted to show you guys the hair and just like how it came out. So if you guys have any questions, please put them down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.